I've been using the ONGREDIENTS Jeju Cica cleansing ball for 4 weeks, and it's quickly become a favorite in my skincare routine. Here's why. This cleansing ball is incredibly versatile and hassle-free, making it a joy to use. It's gentle enough for all skin types, and its soft jelly-like essence is a delight to apply. The Centella asiatica extract from Jeju Island provides soothing effects, thoroughly cleansing my face without irritation. The product maintains a mild pH level, which helps maintain the skin's barrier and smooth rough skin texture. I appreciate that this product is vegan and cruelty-free, using a natural gum vegan formula free from harmful ingredients. It has also completed a skin irritation test, ensuring it's safe for sensitive skin. In just 4 weeks, I've noticed several benefits. My skin feels clean and soft, not stripped. There's a slight improvement in my overall skin tone. A little brightening effect is evident. One of the best features is its longevity. I expect it to last me around 3 or 4 months with twice daily use. How to use. Simply put the cleansing ball into a foaming net. Rub gently to create foam. Massage your face with the foam, and rinse off with lukewarm water. Overall, the ONGREDIENTS Jeju Cica cleansing ball is a fun and effective addition to my skincare routine. I highly recommend it for anyone looking for a gentle yet thorough cleansing experience.